CAD is an acronym that stands for computer-aided drafting or computer-aided design. The reason we call it drafting and design because we do both aspects here. We're an engineering-based program. Even though we're a technical program, most of our students that are going to be graduating and moving on here will be either going on to a 2-year technical school or a 4-year engineering program. And our ultimate goal is to get the kids a leg up on, by the time they enter as a freshman into college, that they'll have that already experience behind them, having the CAD software and knowledge. And there's such a variety of different engineering programs that the kids can go into. Our job here is to give the kids a variety of aspects that they can be exposed to, whether it be architectural, mechanical, electrical, landscaping, civil engineering, and so forth. There's such a variety of different things, but we want to just expose them to some aspect of it, and usually then the kids will decide what is the interest of them, and then they move forward from there. Because sometimes I tell the kids if there's a program that may not interest them as far as engineering, but they still like computers, they like to draw, we find places for them to do, and we do a lot of outside projects for businesses. We do signage, we do banners, posters, when there's school dances, promoting a hockey event, things like that. And the kids take pride in that type of aspect too. If the kids are serious about pursuing CAD as a career, more than likely they're going to be going on to a postgraduate type of program in some type of college, like I mentioned, either a 2-year technical school or a 4-year engineering program beyond high school.
Probably the best way to explain it is CAD is a very broad area, and so it kind of fits in some pieces and parts with the rest of the tech programs, like plumbing, electrical, metal fab. They all have a design element, and so CAD kind of fills that void. Where some student wants to do a design in carpentry, they come down to CAD. We've had several students who been involved with making furniture pieces, and they design them here, and then they go build them. So it kind of helps them put the design process into perspective. You don't just get a piece of wood and start cutting. You have to put something on paper before you can actually come up with a good working design.
What we do every year is we have a contest with our CAD students where they actually are learning about architectural designs and plans and details and so forth. So what we end up doing is once the kids learn some of the basic architectural engineering, we actually have a contest every year where the kids will then design and make home models of the actual house that they're putting together. The houses are made out of foam core and cardboard basically. The roofs will come off, and then as you look inside, we show where the different floor plans are laid out, okay, and then also you can see the details inside. And as I mentioned, this is the kind of an interesting aspect that the kids do every year within the shop. Typically we have about 12 kids in our program because we have 12 computer stations set up for each graduating class, and out of that I would say 60 to 75% of the kids will then move on to some type of continuing education.